Filtering in Excel allows you to quickly and easily view only the data that you're interested in. There are two main ways to do this. Let's go through them together. The first method is simply selecting the header on which you want to filter the data on, and then clicking the Sort and Filter button in the Home tab and selecting Filter. Now it's added filters to our data, as you can see from little arrows on the headers. We click that, and towards the bottom you can see that it's listed all of our unique values in a box. There's also advanced filters, but for now, let's say we want to only show data for Bill and Sandra. So what we'd do is we'd unselect everything, select Bill and Sandra, or we could use a search box, and then click on OK. And there we have it. It's filtered the data to only show Bill and Sandra. To clear the filter, we'd go into the filter again, click it, clear filter, and there you go. It returns all the data without any filtering applied. Another way you can apply filters is by placing your data in a table. So the way we do this is firstly select where our data is, and then we'd go to the Insert tab, select Table, and it's asking us where is our data, which it's correctly located. And yes, our table does have headers. We're going to press OK. And there you go. Now we have a table, and it has automatically added filters to the table. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.